Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the Wi-Fi driver without using the internet connection on our Windows 10 and 11. So watch this video carefully and also hit like and subscribe if the issue is fixed. So let's start without wasting our time. First of all, open the device manager. Sometime your Windows has inbuilt device itself available on the device manager, and but somehow it is not working on our Windows. Expand the option which says network adapter, this option, and look for your Wi-Fi related driver here. As you can see here, it should be Intel Realtek Wi-Fi should be written there. If it is disabled like this, so this is the first step to verify it should not be disabled. If this is disabled like this, it's not going to work. It will show you the error like this. But if it is still enabled and not showing up there, then what you can do is you can click on your network adapter, go to view and click on scan for hardware change. Look for this option, show hidden devices first, and see if you are able to see the Wi-Fi driver listed there or not. If it is still listed there and yellow explanation mark on it, then you can right click, go to update driver, not choose the search automatically for your Windows since you don't have the internet. Click on browse my computer for drivers, include the subfolders, make sure it is tick, okay, and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers and also show compatible hardware. It should be tick, and now look for latest driver on your system and then click on next, and this way it will be retrieve the offline driver on your system and it should able to fix your issue instantly. But if that is still not working, then you click on our system host name, then click on action and scan for hardware changes and see if you are able to see the any Wi-Fi driver listed there or not. You can also recheck it with the help of this command. Open the run and type there ncpa.cpl, click OK, and now look for your Wi-Fi. Its name is Wi-Fi 6EA into 211 and same name is here. But somehow if you are not able to install it, then you have the options to use your this option USB tethering by your smartphone. You don't need to have another working computer, just plug in your USB drive. You can use your smartphone data network to connect, give your PC temporarily internet access to download its own driver. Connect your smartphone into Windows 11 PC using USB data cable. On the phone, go to Android, go to device, go to settings, network and internet hotspot tethering. It should be USB tethering or like tethering, and toggle it on USB tethering. And on the system, it should be connected on your here and allow it, and it should join it. But somehow if it is still not working, then you have to look for its hardware ID before installing the correct driver. Click on your Wi-Fi name, go to its properties, look for the details, look for device description, look for hardware IDs, copy and paste the first one into the notepad, or even you can take the photo, but better will be this. And now you can copy into the another browser here, and let me connect to the internet. now, and it will show you the first driver here. Windows OS. Here is choose Windows OS to Windows 11 or 10, whichever driver you have. And then you will see here hardware as is this one, so we can match it. Okay, you can match with this one, the same hardware ID it has and the same Wi-Fi driver it has. So we are good to go now. We can install this driver. List of drivers. Now this seems to be a bit tricky since more options are available here. How we can identify it? Let's go to download. It is redirecting me to the third party website. We can directly go to Intel one. Okay, this is not needed. Let's go to this option. No, this is not needed on our system. These are the third party website. We have the other solution for it. We can look for its model number. Okay, system model number. Open system model number. Look for its system model number. Even you can open the command prompt and type this command wmi bios get serial number. And you don't need to worry about the hardware IDs. Copy and paste the serial number and look for the manufacturer. Let's say you are using Dell driver. I'm using Dell laptop, and simply copy and paste here the serial number or the model number. Then click on search, and once you search it, just scroll down and look for this option. Select drivers. Now choose the operating system here, Windows 10 or 11, and then filter it with the Wi-Fi keyword Wi-Fi, and you can see here it has shown us the latest driver, which is this one, Intel, this one. Then click on download listed driver here, and this is going to install the manufacturer driver on your system. Copy and paste, just double click, hit yes option. When the prompt opens, close it and click on continue, and it's going to install the driver for your system according to the system model number and serial number on your system. It is going to take some time. The video has taken the longer than expected, but this is the actual steps to fix the issue. You can just wait or you can skip the video. Now you can see, you will see here your software is now updated. Since I have already this version installed on my system, so that is the reason it is showing up here. You can see it is latest now, 2024. So we can look for type here 2024. So this is install the exact driver which is already available on my system, and you can see its version as well. Okay, so this is the exactly the video how you can fix the and how you can install the Wi-Fi driver on your system. So this is a video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.